Welcome back to Nosaltbp. Please follow me on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and at nosaltbp.com. Today I'm introducing 2 additional comorbidities in addition to high blood pressure into our diet plan. This meal is for people who have high blood pressure, diabetes, and patients that are on dialysis. So let's get started, shall we? Okay, so I'm going to place some onion and garlic into the Ninja Foodie, and it's on sear, and I will be searing it for 2 minutes along with my pot roast. Place it on high. Okay, so now you see what's happening when it's searing. It's bubbling, okay? Everything's bubbling. I use my own Jamaican seasoning, and there is no water required. So we're going to toss in some carrots. As you can see, and my own Jamaican seasoning, never store purchased. Never out of a bottle. And again, this is my Jamaican pot roast for patients who have high blood pressure, diabetes, and congestive heart failure. We're going to shut it off, sear. And we're going to pressure cook this starting at about 15 minutes. I want to do it slow so that it's very tenderized. And we'll be back in a moment. Okay, and I set the timer for initially 20 minutes, but I stopped it at 15. And here's my Jamaican pot roast with the gravy. Notice that there's no water in there. There's nothing to separate because I used my own seasonings. And you will find that on my new Instagram page, Dialysis_diabetes. I will place the link in the description bar. That's pure gravy, no water. Thank you so much for joining me today. I realize you have many choices and channels to receive your recipe information. However, here at No Salt BP, we do it without the salt, and we also look at comorbidities such as congestive heart failure, diabetes, and dialysis. Please follow me on my new Instagram page, Dialysis_diabetes. And I will see you in the next one. Part 2 coming up. Goodbye.